Time's up. That cold front's just about here. It's time to button up these cold frames, see what we get. All the preparation we put in over the last couple weeks for this moment. As the cold front comes across, we're expecting 12 degrees. It's going to be this cold for 3 or 4 days. By setting this up, we got the plastic pulled. We've weighted all the way around all the edges to keep the wind from blowing that up. We ought to be in pretty good shape. Now the biggest challenge about these is we're not going to have any sun in here for the next couple days. But I'm using what I have. We'll see what we get. One of the reasons I waited up to the last minute was we've had rain all night, and that way I didn't have to come out here and water this. One of the key elements is you want to have water on your soil before you cover it up. Even with the thick overcast, the amount of solar radiation that gets into this cold frame will warm that soil up. And then by tonight, this should have enough warmth in it to make it right on through. And even though it's not supposed to get above freezing for the days over the next 4 or 5 days, just that sun coming through here, all these water beads, they'll be frozen on top, but that soil, that's the key. We want to keep that soil from freezing. And it's going to be cold enough. We even want to protect our coldest hardy plants, our parsley. If you have nothing more than a box, use what you got. Give them a little protection. And if you have nothing else, you can always use your wheelbarrow. I'm not worried about the onions at all. Even the arugula that we planted with the fall squash is very, very cold hardy, but I want to give it some protection. The other reason I didn't spread out all the wood chips is they worked really well to hold the plastic down. We're buttoned up. I think it's time to go to the house. Hadn't quite got to 32 yet, but it'll be here in a minute. We did all this preparation just for this moment. You can do this too. And not a minute too soon. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, stay warm, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.